Hello friends, welcome to our channel Anand Academy of Education. We are soon going to start our lecture. So please share our link to your friends. Please share our link to as many students as possible and ask them to come online. We will start the class shortly. We will start the class shortly. Are you able to hear my voice? Alright, let's start our class. So today we are going to solve some questions on coordinate system. We're gonna solve some questions on coordinate system. Are you able to hear my voice? Please let me know if you are able to hear my voice. Please type S in the comment section. Okay, so today we're going to solve some questions on coordinate system, and from today we'll be solving as many questions as possible from all the chapters in mathematics, so that you can easily crack the exam, so that you can get an idea as to how to solve the questions in the examination. So let's start. So the first question: the distance between the points 2 comma cot alpha and 1 comma 0 is. So how do we solve this question? So the key point here is the formula of distance between 2 points, which is x1 minus root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is the formula. If we know this formula, we can solve this question easily. So what is x1? x1 is 2. x1 is 2, and what is x2? x2 is 1. 2 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus y2. What is y1? Cot alpha minus 0 whole square. So this is equal to root 1 plus cot square alpha. So we know cosecant square alpha minus cot square alpha is equal to 1. This is a trigonometric identity. So we know this formula. So now 1 plus cot square becomes cosecant square alpha, and root of cosecant square alpha is mod cosecant alpha and not cosecant alpha. This is not equal to cosecant alpha, but this is equal to mod cosecant alpha. So the answer is option 3. So option 3 is the correct answer. If you have any doubts, you can just ask me in the comment section, in the chat section. Please let me know if you have any doubts, and also please share this link to as many students as possible, to your friends. So the second question: the ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment joining 3, 6 and 12, minus 3. So how do we solve this problem? So the given points are 3, 6 and 12, minus 3. So the simple answer is minus y1 is to y2. Minus y1 is to y2. X-axis divides the line segment joining points. X-axis divides the line segment joining A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 in minus y1 is to y2 ratio. Minus y1 is to y2 ratio. So now the answer becomes, what is y1? y1 is 6. So minus 6 by what is y2? It is minus 3. So this is equal to 2 by 1. So the ratio is 2:1. So this is our answer. 2:1 is our answer. Option A is our answer. X-axis divides line segment joining x1 conjugate if it divides the line segment joining P comma Q in the ratio R is to minus S. So if A divides the line segment joining P comma Q internally, then B divides P comma Q externally. So let us solve this question so that you will get a better idea. So let us first find the ratio in which 7 comma 5 divides the line segment joining 4 comma 2 comma 9 comma 7. So the formula here is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So the points are 4 comma 2 and 9 comma 7. So let us find the ratio in which 7 comma 5 divides 4 comma 2 and 9 comma 7. So x2 is 9 plus n into, we need to find this ratio m and n. So now x1 is 4 by m plus n comma m into y2 7 plus n into y1 2 by m plus n is equal to 7 comma 5 is equal to 7 comma 5. So now 9m plus 4n by m plus n is equal to 7 and 7m plus 2n is equal to by m plus n is equal to 5. So this implies 9m plus 4n is equal to 7m plus 7n and 7m plus 2n is equal to 5m plus 5n. So let us write these two here. So 9 minus 7, 2m minus 3n is equal to 0. Similarly, this one 2m minus 3n is equal to 0. So this implies 2m is equal to 3n. This implies 2m is equal to 3n. This implies m by n is equal to 3 by 2. M by n is equal to 3 by 2. So the ratio in which this point 7 comma 5 divides this line segment joining 4 comma 2 comma 9 comma 7 is 3:2. So now the harmonic conjugate of 7 comma 5 will divide the line segment joining 4, 2, 9, 7 in 3:-2 ratio. 3:-2 ratio. 3:-2 ratio. (3:-2 ratio). So now we can find the coordinates of the harmonic conjugate of 7, 5 by using this. So let me rub this fast. I'm sorry, VS is asking something. So what is your doubt? Please ask it clearly. Mr. VS is asking something. Okay. So we got the ratio as 3:-2. The harmonic conjugate of 7, 5 divides the line segment joining 4, 2, 9, 7 in 3:-2 ratio. So M:2N is 3:-2. So we can find the coordinates of the harmonic conjugate of 7, 5 easily. So now 4, 2, 9, 7. So there is a point P which divides this line segment joining 4, 2, 9, 7 in 3:2. This is external division. So now x, y is equal to M:2 mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So m is 3 and what is x2? x2 is 9 plus n is -2 to x1. What is x1? x1 is 4 by 3 minus 2 is 1, m is 3 into y2 is 7 plus -2 into y1 is 2 by m plus n. 3 minus 2 is 1. So now this is equal to 27 minus 8, 21 minus 4. So this is equal to 19, 17. So option D is our answer. Option D is our correct answer. Please ask me your doubt in the comments chat section. If you have any doubts, please ask me, so I will clarify your doubt. So now the fourth question. The centroid of triangle whose vertices are 2, 4, 3, k, 4, 2 is k, 3, then the value of k is. So we are given 3 vertices, A 2, 4, B 3, k, C 4, 2. So we have been given 3 vertices of a triangle and the centroid G is k, 3, and we need to find the value of k. What is the value of k? So the formula for centroid of a triangle, is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3, x1 is 2, so let me write x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So x1 plus x2, 2 plus x2 is 3 plus x3 is 4 by 3 comma y1 4 plus k plus 2 by 3. So this is equal to 5 plus 4 9 by 3 is 3 comma 6 plus k by 3. So but the given centroid is k comma 3. K comma 3 is equal to 3 comma 6 plus k by 3. So k is 3. So the value of k is 3. Can just equate the coordinates, so we get the value of k as 3. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. The incentre of the triangle, formed by the points 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 3 is. So how do we solve this sum? So the formula for finding the coordinates of the incentre of a triangle when the vertices of a triangle are given is incentre of a triangle when vertices are 0 comma 0 comma a comma 0. So let us solve small a comma 0 comma 0 comma b is AB by a plus b plus root of a square plus b square comma AB by a plus b plus root of a square plus b square, root of a square plus b square. Please let me know if you have any doubts. Are you able to hear my voice? Please let me know if you are able to hear my voice. Please type S if you are able to hear my voice. Okay, so this is the formula for finding the coordinates of incentre of a triangle when the given vertices are in the form of 0 comma 0, a comma 0 and 0 comma b. So a here is 2, and b here is 3, So now a into b is 6 by a plus b 5 plus root of a square 4 plus 9 comma 6 by 5 plus root 4 plus 9, which is equal to 6 by 5 plus root 13 comma 6 by 5 plus root 13. So the correct option is option C. So this is the shortcut. This is the shortcut to solve this problem in a very short time. So this formula is very simple. Just AB by A plus B plus root of A square plus B square. First the product of A and B, and then we divide this product by A plus B and root of A square plus B square. A plus B plus root of A square plus B square. So now the sixth problem. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 5, CA is equal to 4, and AB bisects the angle A. So first let us draw the diagram. So A, B, C. AB is 6, BC is 5, CA is 4, and then AP bisects the angle A, and if P lies on BC, this P lies on BC and AP bisects the angle A. So if angle BAC is equal to theta, then angle BAP is equal to theta by 2, and angle PAC is equal to theta by 2, because this line AP bisects the angle theta by 2 and theta by 2. So we call this AP as angular bisector. We call this AP as angular bisector, because it divides the angle into two equal halves. So the point here is angle bisector divides the opposite side of a triangle in the ratio of other two sides. So this is the key point here. So this line AP, the line AP divides the opposite side of a triangle. So this line divides the opposite. So the opposite side is BC, the opposite side to the vertex. So the vertex is A. So the opposite side to this vertex is BC. So AP divides BC in the ratio of other two sides. So in the ratio of other two sides, so the two sides are AB and AC. So AP divides, so this line at this point, P divides this line BC in the ratio of AB and AC. So the point P, so the angle bisector divides the side BC in the ratio AB is to AC. So now BP by BC is equal to AB by AC. So AB is 6 and AC is 4. So we get BP by BC is equal to 6 by 4. So now we are given that BC is equal to 5. And BC is BP plus PC is equal to 5. BP plus PC is equal to 5. So now we can find BP by substituting these values. Sorry, BP by, this is PC, isn't it? Not PC, this is PC. BP by PC is equal to 6 by 4, and PC is equal to, from here we get PC is equal to 4 into BP by 4 into BP by, if we just interchange the denominators and numerators, so this PC gets this side and 4 gets into numerator here on the left side. 4 into BP by 6, PC is 4 into BP by 6, so we just substitute this here. So now it is BP plus PC is 4 into BP by 6 is equal to 5. So this implies 6 BP plus 4 BP is equal to 30. So let me write this here. So 10 BP is equal to 30. This implies BP is equal to 30 by 10, which is 3. So the correct answer is 3, option A. So the key point here is this point P, since this is the angle bisector, so this angle bisector meets this side BC at point P. So this point divides the line segment joining B and C. This point divides this side BC in the ratio AB is to AC. So 3 is the answer. So now seventh question. So seventh question is, if 1 by 2 comma 0, 0 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 are midpoints of sides of the triangle, then the incentre of the triangle is. So we are given the midpoints A, B and C, and let's take the midpoints D, E and F. So D is 1 by 2 comma 0, E is 0 comma 1 by 2, comma F is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So how do we solve this problem? So what we need to do at first is to find the vertices of the triangle. We are given the midpoints of the sides of triangle. So now we first need to find the vertices of triangle. So how can we find the vertices of triangle? Please, anyone? Can anyone just tell me how to solve this problem in the chat section? Can anyone please? Okay, I will tell you how. So what we need to do first is to find the vertices of triangle. So this D is, let us take x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2, c is x3 comma y3. So d is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 comma 0, 1 by 2 comma 0. Similarly, E x2 plus x3 by 3, sorry, x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 0 comma 1 by 2. And F x1 plus x3 by 2 comma y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So now let us equate the coordinates on both sides. So we get x1 plus x2 is equal to 1 and y1 plus y2 is equal to 0. Similarly, x2 plus x3 is equal to 0 and y2 plus y3 is equal to 1, and here x1 plus x3 is equal to 1. x1 plus x3 is equal to 1 and y1 plus y3 is equal to 1. So now let us add these three, 1, 2 and 3. Let us add 1, 2 and 3. So we get 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x2 plus x3 plus x1 plus x3. So we get each term 2 times. x1 we got 2 times, x2 we got 2 times, and x3 we got 2 times. So 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 1. This is 2. Taking and if we take 2 common, this becomes x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. We know x1 plus x2 is 1. x1 plus x2 is 1. So this is 1. So 1 plus x3 is equal to 1. 1 plus x3 is equal to 1. So this implies x3 is equal to 0. x3 is equal to 0. Similarly, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. We know x2 plus x3. x2 plus x3. x2 plus x3 is 0. So this implies x1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This implies x1 is equal to 1. So let me write here. x1 is 1. x2 we still need to find, and x3 is 0. x3 is 0, x1 1. So now x2. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. We know x1 plus x3. x1 plus x3 is 1. So this is 1. This implies 1 plus x2 is equal to 1. This implies x2 is 0. So x2 is 0. So we found the x coordinates of all the 3 vertices. Now let us find the y coordinates. Can you please find the y coordinates and comment me in the chat section? Can you find the y coordinates? Please let me know if you don't understand any point. Please let me know if you don't understand any point. Please ask me in the chat section. I will repeat the solution again. So how do we find the y coordinates? We find the y coordinates by using these three, just like how we found the x coordinates. y1 plus y2 is equal to 0. So let us add these three. So now it becomes 2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3 is equal to 2. This is also y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 1. So y1 plus y2 is 0. y1 plus y2. So this is 0. 0 plus y3 is equal to 1. This implies y3 is equal to 1. So let's write here y1, y2 and y3. So y3 is 1. Now y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 1. So we know y2 plus y3 is 1. y2 plus y3 is 1. So y1 plus 1 is equal to 1. This implies y1 is equal to 0. y1 is equal to 0. So this y1 is 0. This y1 is 0. And now similarly we need to find y2. y1 plus y3. y1 plus y3 is 1. So 1 plus y2 is equal to 1. This implies y2 is 0. So y2 is also 0. Isn't it? y1 plus y2 is also 0. So y1 is 0, y2 is 0 and y3 is 1. So we now have found the coordinates of the vertices, the x coordinates and y coordinates of the vertices of triangle given. So that we found the vertices given in the triangle, vertices of the given triangle. So now how do we find the incentre of this triangle? Wait a second, sorry, let me rub this quick. If you have any idea as to how to find the incentre of triangle when vertices are given, please let me, please comment in the chat section. Yes, Grishma, yes, y1 is equal to 0, y2 is equal to 0, y3 is equal to 1. Yes, you are correct. Yes. Do you also know how to find the incentre? How to find the incentre when three vertices are given? When three vertices of a triangle are given. Please think for a while. Please think for a while and let me know if you know. Please think. I will solve the question for you, but please think for a while if you can solve the question. Please think for a while. How to find the incentre? How to find the incentre? Yes, do you have the idea as to how to find the incentre? Okay, I will tell you the shortcut. So when vertices of a triangle are given, then to find the incentre of triangle we need to use this formula. Incentre is equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. So what is A? A is BC. So the length of this BC. B is, what is B? B is CA. So this is A, CA, this is B, and this is C. So what is C? C is AB. C is AB. So BC. So x2, y2. Let me write the coordinates here. x1 is 1 comma, what is y1? 0. x2 is 0 comma y2 is also 0. x3, what is x3? x3 is 0 comma, what is y3? y3 is 1. So we are given origin as one of the vertices of this triangle, and 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 are the other two vertices. We can solve this question using this formula, but we have another formula when one of the vertices of the triangle is origin. One of the vertices of the triangle is origin, and if they are in the form 0 comma 0, a comma 0 and 0 comma b, if the given vertices of the triangle are in this form, then the formula for finding the incentre is AB by a plus b plus root of a square plus b square. We have solved one question earlier by using this formula, a plus b plus root of a square plus b square. So we can use this formula if vertices are not origin, if one of the vertices is not origin, and if the vertices are in this form, we can use this formula. But if the vertices are not in this form, we can use this formula, ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by 3 by a plus b plus c, and ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. So let us solve by using this formula, because we have solved one question by using this formula. So this formula is very fast. So AB, what is A? A is here. Don't get confused with this A and this A. So this A and this A. So A here is, so we are given 0 comma 0, 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. So A is 1 and B is 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 into 1, 1 by 2 plus root of 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. 1 by 2 plus root 2, and the other is also 1 by 2 plus root 2. So this is our incentre, but since the answer is not given in this form, we need to convert the answer into this form. So let us convert the given the answer we got into the form in which our question is given. So 1 by 2 plus root 2, 1 by 2 plus root 2 by 2 minus root 2 into 2 minus root 2. So let us do this. This is equal to 2 minus root 2 by 2 2's, what is 2 square minus 2, 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2 minus root 2 by 4 minus 2 is 2. So 1 minus root 2 by 2, this is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2, 1 minus 1 by root 2. So option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. We just multiplied this 2 plus root 2 into its conjugate in the numerator and denominator. So this becomes 2 minus root 2 by, so this is a square minus b square. 4 minus 2 minus root 2 by 4 minus 2 is 2, and we just divided the individual terms in the numerator. 2 by 2 is 1, and minus root 2 by 2, we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 is cancelled, and we get 1 minus 1 by root 2. So the other y coordinate is also same. So the answer is option B. The answer is option B. So we used the formula AB by a plus b into root of a square plus b square. But now let us solve this question by using this formula, ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c. So we are taking too much time on this question because you need to get the whole point of solving the question by using different methods. So what is A? A is BC. So B is 0 comma 0 and C is 0 comma 1. So 0 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square is equal to, so 0 square plus 1, this is 1. Similarly C into A, root 0 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square, this is root 2. AB, A is 1 comma 0 and root of 1 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So this is 1. So let me write here, A is 1, B is root 2 and C is 1. So now let us use this formula. Please, if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Please ask me in the chat section. You can type live messages. So A is 1 into x1 is 1 plus B is root 2 into x2 is 0 plus C is 1 into x3 is 0 by A plus B plus C, this is 2 plus root 2, comma A is 1 into y1 is 0 plus B is root 2 and y2 is 0 plus C is 1 and y3 is 1, 2 plus root 2. So now this is equal to 0. So this is equal to 1 plus 0 by 2 plus root 2 comma 1 by 2 plus root 2. So this is 0 and this is 0. So what we got is the same answer as we got in the earlier method, 1 by 2 plus root 2 and 1 by 2 plus root 2. So we multiply denominator and numerator by 2 minus root 2. 1 by 2 plus root 2 into 2 minus root 2 by 2 minus root 2, which is equal to 2 minus root 2 by 2 square minus 2, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 2 square is 4 minus root 2 whole square is 2. This is equal to 2 minus root 2 by 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. So the x coordinate and y coordinates are same, 1 minus 1 by root 2. So option B is the correct answer. I hope you understand this question clearly, but if you still have any doubts, please ask me in the chat section. Now if 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 10 are the vertices of triangle, then excentre of triangle opposite to vertex 2 comma 1 is. This is A, 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma 7, 4 comma minus 10, C and B. So excentre of triangle opposite to vertex A. So we need to find the center of this excentre. So we need to find this excentre. So how do we find this? What is the formula? So I will tell you how. So the formula for finding the excentre of triangle opposite to vertex A is minus AX1. X-center opposite to A is minus AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 by minus A plus B plus C, comma minus AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 by minus A plus B plus C. What is A? A is BC. What is B? B is CA. C is AB. So BC, the length of the side BC. A is length of the side BC and B is length of the side CA. C is length of the side AB. So this is the formula for finding the coordinates of the excentre opposite to vertex A. If it is opposite to vertex B, if they ask to find the excentre opposite to vertex B, so the excentre opposite to vertex B looks like this. So if they ask us to find that excentre opposite to vertex B, then we just need to shift this minus to here. So it becomes AX1 minus BX2 plus CX3 by A minus B plus C, comma AY1 minus BY2 plus CY3 by A minus B plus C. This is the excentre opposite to vertex B. If they ask the excentre opposite to vertex C, excentre opposite to vertex C, we shift this minus sign to here. AX1 plus BX2 minus CX3 by A plus B minus C, comma AY1 plus BY2 minus CY3 by A plus B minus C. So these are the very simple formulas. So I will be rubbing these two because we don't need these two here. So incentre and excentre have similar formulas. You don't need to remember every formula for finding this incentre and excentre. But if you just know the formula for incentre, AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 by A plus B plus C, then you can easily remember the formulas for finding the excentre opposite to vertex A and A, B and C. Okay, so let us find the excentre opposite to vertex A. So what is A? Let us find the length of A first. So A is BC. Minus 2 minus 4 whole square, which is 36, plus 7 plus 10, 17 whole square. What is 17 whole square? 17 into 289 root 289. So this is equal to 289 plus 36. 289 plus 36 is equal to 326. Am I doing correct or wrong? Minus 2 minus 4 and 7, yeah, correct. So this is 325. And what is root 325? I think I did something wrong. 2 minus 2 minus 4 is 6 whole square, 36, and 7 minus of minus 10, 17. So root 325 is approximately 18. Into, so this is 18, and CA. What is CA? C is 4. 4 minus 2 is 4. 2 whole square, 4 plus minus 10 minus 11, 11 is 121. This is equal to root 125. Root 125. Okay, and AB, 2 minus of minus 2, root 4 plus 1 minus 36, this is root 40. So this becomes something wrong with this problem. Okay, let's do it later. Let us solve these questions. The circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 4, 2, to origin, one of the vertices to origin. But first, what is circumcenter? Circumcenter is the center of a circle which passes through the 3 vertices of triangle. So this is the circle, and the center of the circle is called circumcenter S. 2, 4, 2, 0 and 0, 4, 0, 4. So first convert one of these vertices to origin, 2, 4, 2, 0 and 0, 4, and let us subtract 2, 0 from each point. So 2, 4 minus 2, 0. So this is equal to 0 comma 4, and here minus subtract 2 comma 0. So this is equal to 0 comma 0, and now minus 2 comma 4. So these are the new vertices. So we got one of the vertex as 0 0, which is origin. So now let us use our formula. So the formula is y2a minus y1b by 2c, comma x2a minus x1b by minus 2c. What is a, b and c? What is a, b and c? It is very simple. A is x1 square plus y1 square. Similarly, b is x2 square plus y2 square. C is x1 y2 minus x2 y1. C is x1 y2 minus x2 y1. So now what is x1 y1 and x2 y2? This is origin, we just neglect this, and this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So now let's find x1 square plus y1 square. So x1 square 0 plus y1 square is minus 2 whole square, which is 4. Similarly, b, so y1 square is 4, right? So this should be 0 plus 4 square, 0 square plus 4 square, which is 16, and b minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 16, which is 20. Similarly, c, x1 into y2 is 0 minus x2 minus 2 into 4, which is 8. So this is 8. So now let us substitute these values in this formula. So this is the formula for finding the circumcenter of a triangle when one of the vertices is origin and the other two vertices are in the form x1 y1 and x2 y2. So one of the vertex must be 0 to use this formula, and that's why we just made one of the vertex as origin by subtracting 2 comma 0 from each vertex. So y2 is 4 into a is 16 minus y1 is 4 into 20 by 2 into c. C is 8, so this is 16. x2 is minus 2 into a, 16 minus x1 is 0 into 20 by minus 16. This is equal to 64 minus 80 by 16 comma minus 32 by minus 16. So this is equal to 18. 16 minus 16 by 16 comma minus 32 by minus 16. So this is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2. But this is not the circumcenter. This is not the circumcenter because we subtracted 2 comma 0. We subtracted 2 comma 0. So now we need to add this 2 comma 0 to this answer. So minus 1 plus 2 comma 2 plus 0. So now this is equal to 1 comma 2. So option A is the correct answer. 1 comma 2 is the circumcenter. So this is not the final answer. So you should not confuse here. This is not the final answer. We need to add the point in which from which we subtracted the given vertices of triangle, and at the last we need to add the same point. So now we get 1 comma 2 as the circumcenter. So this is how you can solve for the circumcenter of triangle when vertices of triangle are given. So first what you need to do is to convert one of the vertices to 0, one of the vertices to origin 0 comma 0, and then you can use this formula. y2a minus y1b by 2c and x2a minus x1b by minus 2c. You can use this simple formula. Now if a 1 comma 2, b 2 comma 3 and c 4 comma 3 are vertices of triangle ABC, then its orthocenter is. So what is the formula for finding the orthocenter of triangle? So the formula is very simple. Minus a into y1 minus y2 comma a into x1 minus x2. This is the formula for finding the orthocenter of triangle when vertices are given. What is A? A is nothing but x1 x2 plus y1 y2 by x1 y2 minus x2 y1 minus x2 y1, x1 y2 minus x2 y1. So this is A. So the given vertices are 1 comma 2, b 2 comma 3, c 4 comma 3. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Yes, we have three. We have x1, x2 and x3, but the formula uses only x1 and x2. So what is this confusion? You don't get confused. What you need to do is to convert one of the vertices to 0, one of the vertices to origin. So let us subtract 1 comma 2 from each point. Let us subtract 1 comma 2 from each point. So this becomes 0 comma 0, and if we subtract 1 comma 2 from 2 comma 3, this is equal to 1 comma 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the x1 y2 are from these points. So now we have to use this formula. So now let us find what A is. So A is equal to, or you can just consider this as P, because we took the vertex of ABC, triangle ABC as A. So you might get confused between this A and this A. So first of all, let us take this P, minus P into y1 minus y2. So P. So P x1 x2. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So x1 into x2 is 3 plus y1 into y2 1, x1 into y2 1 minus x2 into y1 3. So this is 4 minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. So P is minus 2. So this P is minus 2. So now minus P y1 minus y2 comma P. So So let me first write the formula: p x1 minus x2. So now this is equal to minus p. P is minus 2 and minus p is 2. 2 into y1 minus y2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 into 0, comma, and p is minus 2. x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2. x1 is 1 and x2 is 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this is equal to 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. We need to add 1 comma 2 because we subtracted 1 comma 2 from each point. So let us add 1 comma 2. So now this becomes 1 comma 6. So now this is our orthocenter. This is our orthocenter, 1 comma 6. Option A is correct. Please let me know if you have any doubts. You can ask me doubts in the chat section. So now let us move to this question 9th. If 1 comma 1, 3 by 4 comma 3 by 4 orthocenter and circumcenter of triangle is, then centroid is. So the point here is, this is orthocenter and this is circumcenter. This is centroid. We need to know this point and the theorem that the centroid divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. The centroid G divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. So what is orthocenter? Orthocenter is 1 comma 1 and circumcenter is 3 by 4 comma 3 by 4, and M is 2 and N is 1. So now I think you can find the coordinates of the centroid easily by using the section formula. So centroid x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So m is 2 and x2 is 3 by 4. 2 into 3 by 4 plus n is 1 into x1 is 1 by m plus n is 3, and m is 2 into y2 is 3 by 4 plus n is 1 into y1 is 1 by 3. So now this is equal to 2 into 3 by 4, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1, this is equal to 5 by 2 into 3, comma, this is also same 3 by 5 by 2 into 3. So now the coordinates will become 5 by 6 comma 5 by 6. 5 by 6 comma 5 by 6. Option C is the correct answer. So the point here is the centroid G divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. So this is the key point here. If you know this point, you can easily solve this problem. Okay, the same sum repeated 2 times. So this is same sum. Okay, if centroid and circumcenter of triangle are 3 comma 3 and 6 comma 2, then orthocenter is. In the earlier problem, we are given orthocenter and circumcenter, but now centroid is given, which is 3 by 3, and circumcenter is given S, which is 6 by 2. We need to find orthocenter O. Okay, how do we find this? Simple, we need to use the section formula. So 3 comma 3, centroid is equal to m is 2, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. 2 into x2 is 6, mx2 plus n into x1, x1 is x, by m plus n 3, and my2, 2 into 2, this is y2, x2, x1, y1, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and my2 plus n into y1 by m plus n is 3. So 3 is equal to, we just need to equate these two x coordinates and y coordinates. So 12 plus x by 3. Similarly 3 is equal to 4 plus, so this is 1, n is 1, y by 3. Now this implies 9 is equal to 12 plus x, and 9 is equal to 4 plus y. So x is equal to 9 minus 12 is minus 3, and y is equal to 5. So I think we did we do any mistake? 3 comma 3, m x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n is 3. Okay, and n m y2, 2 into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n is 3. Okay, so 3 into 3 is 9. 9 minus this, so this must be minus 3 comma 5. Minus 3 comma 5 is the answer. So the options are wrong. Minus 3 comma 5 is the answer. Minus 3 comma 5 is the orthocenter. Vertex of a triangle are a 5 comma minus 1, sorry, vertices (5 comma minus 1), b minus 2 comma 3, c minus 4 comma minus 7, and origin is orthocenter. What is orthocenter? Orthocenter is the points of intersection of altitudes of triangle. So this is altitude, this is another altitude, this is another altitude. So this point is orthocenter O. So the orthocenter is given as 0 comma 0. Then the center of 9-point circle is, so what is 9-point circle? So 9-point circle is a circle in which point 1 all the midpoints of triangle lie on the circle. Number 2, all the feet of altitudes lie on this circle. And number 3 is and midpoint of the number 3 is midpoints of let me write this circle. So this midpoint, so the midpoint of line segments joining line segments joining vertices and orthocenter. The midpoints of line segments joining vertices and orthocenter will also lie on the circle. So this one, likewise this one, likewise this is the midpoint. So these 9 points lie on this circle, and that's why this is called 9-point circle. The midpoints of line segments joining vertices and orthocenter. So this is 9-point circle, and now let's quickly solve this problem. We have 4 more problems today. Let us quickly solve this. And if you don't understand anything, if you have any doubt at any point, please you can ask me in the chat section. So please type your doubt in the chat section. If you have any doubts, please do not hesitate to ask me doubts. So this is the 9-point circle. I hope you understand what 9-point circle is, and if you don't understand 9-point circle, or if you have any doubt in understanding this 9-point circle, please ask me your doubt in the comment section, in the chat section. So this is 9-point, this is center of the, this N is the center of the 9-point circle, and this is orthocenter, and this is centroid. So the orthocenter divides the line segment joining the center of 9-point circle and centroid in the ratio 3:1. So we are given orthocenter, which is 0, 0, and we need to find the coordinates of this center of 9-point circle, and we can find the centroid. Centroid is 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 by 3, comma minus 1 plus 3 plus minus 7 by 3. Centroid, the formula for finding centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is equal to 5 minus 2 minus 4, this is minus 6 minus 1 by 3, comma minus 1 plus 3 is 2, 2 minus 7 is minus 5 by 3. So this is the centroid, and now we can find the coordinates of this center of 9-point circle by using section formula. So orthocenter divides line segment joining the center of 9-point circle and centroid in 3:1 ratio. So this is minus 1 by 3, comma minus 5 by 3. So 3:1. So 0, 0. This is equal to mx2. M into x2 is minus 1 by 3 plus n into x1 is x by m plus n is 4, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 by 4. So this is equal to 3 cancel, minus 1 plus x by 4, comma minus 5 plus y by 4. So equating the coordinates on both sides, we get minus 1 plus x is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 1. Sorry, x is equal to 1. This minus 1 goes this side, right? And minus 5 plus y is equal to 0. Minus 5 plus y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5. So the coordinates are x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. So we have the coordinates here. I think no, the given options are wrong, I think. So 1, 5 are the vertices of this 9-point circle. 1, 5 are the vertices of this 9-point circle. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. If a 1, -4, 3, -2, -3, 6 are vertices of triangle ABC, then area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. So how do we find this area? -1, -4, 3, -2, -3, 16. I will tell you a very easy way. To find the area of triangle when 3 vertices are given. So what you need to do is to convert one of the vertices to origin, So let us subtract 1, -4 from each point. 1, so this is 0, 0, so this becomes 0, 0, 1, -4. Subtract this 2, -2 -4, which is 2, 2, and -3 -1 is -4, and this becomes 12. So we get the points 0, 0, 2, 2, and -4, 12. So what we did is subtracting 1, -4, so we get 0, 0, 2, 2, and -4, 12. So now to find the area of triangle, 1/2 into the product of extremes, 2 into 12 is 24, minus product of means, which is -8. So this is equal to 36/2. I think we did something wrong, So we subtracted 1, -4. I think the coordinates are wrong. Yes, sorry. Yeah, so 1, -4 minus 1, -4. So this is 0, 0. 3 minus 1 is 2, -2 minus of -4. -2 minus of -4 is 2, 2, and -3 minus 1 is -4, and 16 minus of -4 is 20. So this is 20. So now -2 into 20, product of extremes, 2 into 20 is 40. Yes, we got this wrong. 40 plus 8 is 48/2. 48/2, that is equal to 24. So the answer is 24 square units. So first you need to convert one of the vertices to origin, and then you can apply this formula, 1/2 mod product of extremes minus product of means, and then you will get the answer. If 3, 3, h, 0 and 0, k are collinear, then 1/h plus 1/k. 3, 3, h, 0 and 0, k are collinear. So how do you solve this problem? So let us take this point as A, B and C. So since these 3 are collinear points, this implies the slope of line segment AB is equal to slope of line segment BC. Slope of line segment AB is equal to slope of line segment BC. So slope of line segment AB is y2 minus y1, 0 minus 3 by x2 minus x1, h minus 3 is equal to k minus 0 by 0 minus h, minus 3 by h minus 3 is equal to k by minus h. So this implies minus 3h is equal to hk minus 3k. If we minus 3h, isn't it? Minus 3h is equal to, sorry, this is plus 3h, minus into minus. So now let us drag this minus 3k on the right side to left side. 3h plus 3k is equal to hk. Taking 3 common, h plus k is equal to hk. So this is 1 by 3. This 3 goes to 1 by 3 on the right side. So now let us divide by h comma k on both sides. H by hk plus k by hk is equal to 1 by 3 hk by hk. So this is 1 by 3. So this implies 1 by k plus 1 by h is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by h plus 1 by k is equal to 1 by 3. So option A is the correct answer. The third vertex of an equilateral triangle whose two vertices are 2, 4 and 2, 0. So when two vertices of an equilateral triangle are given and if they ask us to find the third vertex, then the formula is x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 minus or plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. So this implies x1, x2, y1, y2. So x1, y1 and x2, y2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x1 is 2 and x2 is 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus 4 minus 6 is minus 2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 10 minus or plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 is 0 by 2. This is equal to 4 plus or minus minus 2 root 3 by 2 comma 10 by 2. So this is equal to 4 plus or minus minus 2 by 2 plus or minus root 3, 2 plus or minus root 3 comma 10 by 2, 10 by 2. So the vertices can be 2 plus root 3 comma 5 or 2 minus root 3 comma 5. So 2 plus root 3 comma 5. So option C is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. So why do we have got a pair of vertices? Because suppose let us consider these two as the given vertices and the third vertex can be on this side or on this side, C dash, and that's why we got a pair of vertices. The angles A, B, C of triangle ABC are in AP. So A, B, C are in AP. This implies 2B is equal to A plus C. 2B is equal to A plus C. And B is equal to A plus C by 2. B is equal to A plus C by 2. And we know A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. And A plus C is equal to 2B. So 2B plus B is equal to 180 degrees. And this implies 3B is equal to 180 degrees. So now B is equal to 60 degrees. So we have got angle B is equal to 60 degrees. and we are given AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 7 and AC is equal to we need to find AC. So A, B and C. AB is 6, BC, this is A, this is B and this is C. So BC is 7, this is 7 and we need to find AC. So we need to use the cosine formula. So cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. So A square is 7 square 49 plus C square is 36. Sorry, it happened. Yes, 49. A square is 49 plus C square is 36 minus B square by cos B, cos 60 is sin 30, means 1 by 2. 49 plus 36 minus B square by 2 into A into C. 2 into A is 7 into 6 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 49 plus 36, 15, 85 minus B square by 7642, 2 is 84. This implies 84 by 2 minus 85 is equal to minus B square. This implies B square is equal to 85 minus 84 by 2 implies B square is equal to 85 minus 42. So this is 43. B square is equal to 43. So B is equal to root of 43. So option C is the correct answer. So this is it for this class, and in the next class we'll be learning some more problems, or we'll be solving many more problems in the next class. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Please let me know if you have any in the comment section. I will be here for 10 more minutes. So please ask me any doubts.